Did I at least get... Are you hit? Oh, okay. Where the hell are you now? There's two coming up behind me. What's that?
We started really close together and we just walked away from each other.
Okay. There's two up there.
That's Dave.
Let's go take Dave and them out. Leave the young guns.
That's who you saw.
What's that? You saw movement over here?
Yeah. You seen two?
Yeah.
Were they together?
Yeah, and I watched them move across here.
How the fuck could they be together? I didn't hear anybody yell hit.
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
And then I started shooting at them.
Okay. So. You know where Dave and Wayne are. I don't know where the young guys are.
Dave, oh, yeah, I do. Right there at the back of the trailer. Let's try and get to him. No, I'm not. Oh, I'll take it. Get him. That's all right. He's dead anyhow.
Thanks, dude.
Okay, so we got two left. They were on the far side. Who knows where they swept to?
I saw one way over there.
Okay.
He was sitting there dead, I think.
Like a kill rag and whatnot. All those were?
No.
Guns?
Killings?
Guns?
No, I actually could use it too. Okay, can you see anything?
Quick, 'cause that's similar
Stick your head around there, Miles, if you can see
I
anything.
stick right around the last shot. I got shot right in the forehead.
Let's listen.
It's fine, I know Miles hurt my hand.
No, you hit me right in the right here in the calf. Come on, Steven, hurry up. We need that kill right.
Here, each of you hang on to one.
Thanks, man.
Okay, so hold on. Wait.
Okay.
They know we're here.
Yeah, so let's go this way.
We need to move.
Miles.
I'll take point. Keep space. That's it, game. Let's follow back around this way.
We can push on him, he's right there. Right side of the road. Right, he's moving out to the wrong side of the road. He's sitting there. He went opposite side of the road, he shoots pants.
No, I just got ears. Stay right behind me. Hit!
We got contact, right side of road, by the shed.
Medic!
Go back.
You know where he is?
He's right in over here somewhere. I'm swimming out.
Mag out.
Hit! Medic!
Hit!
Straight on my 12. In that wood pile.
Medic!
Medic! Got good cover. All I could see was his face and his
I see
rifle
him
over top. Medic!
Shit.
There's the other one right there waiting for help. Medic! Come out and find out.
We are.
Medic! No, you stay right where you're put. Dead men can't walk. Dead men don't walk. That's why they're dead. That's why I'm calling for a medic.
Medic!
El medico. Man down.
While you have this time, get back on the right side of the road.
Yeah, you're on the wrong side of the road to begin with. You buttonholed out.
Don't shoot him while he crosses the road.
Medic! Fucking better pray he gets us before he gets him. Medic!
moving.
Okay, he's on the proper side of the road. You can kill him now. Medic! Medic!
Medic!
One, two, three, four.
He's hit! He's hit!
Nice. Wayne's hit. Watch behind us. Come up here in front of me. Right there. In front of me between those trees, you'll see Wayne. Cover Wayne. Okay, now, straight ahead. Look up there. See him? Just cover him. Stay there. Don't go any further. All right, back up this way a bit. Do you know which way he went?
Yeah, but I can't really say. It'd be unethical.
All right, I know he went that way.
Prick abandoned me. What the fuck?
All right.
Oh, that. Oh. These goggles are coming in handy today. Medic!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Target!
Hit! Back in. Hit. Move out. Let's get him. They're on the other side of the bowl. I heard them.
Just as I hit you, I think.
Yeah.
Got me in the shoulder.
Okay.
Get a rag.
I gave you mine.
Oh, that's actually good, Steven. Fuck, I couldn't see shit.
I was part of you.
Was that you?
Over your head.
Okay, hang on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me on your right.
There's some. Okay. Why don't you go support him?
I medic him too.
I'll come down here with you.
Roger.
We gotta get into a bowl.
Planes. Scoop. Hold on. No, don't. Always assume there's nothing music there.
Crawl it.
See him?
No.
No, hold on. I'm gonna.
12 o'clock.
I don't see him. Hold on, I'm gonna go call down the wing.
Go.
Not right now. No problem. I know where your partner is. Well, I can see somebody's barrel, and I watched him duck when I fired at him. Just not enough range. About damn time I got one through. Close in.
Hold on, there might be one still there.
Oh, there is one still there.
He's dead.
No, there's one still living. Don't trust him.
Still up, Trevor. Don't fuck me up. Medic!
All right, keep back, all medic.
Medic! Do you want me standing or sitting?
Oh, whatever way you want. All I gotta do is tag you. Medic! Ow, okay.
He's hit, keep moving.
Holy shit, man. Like I said, don't trust him.
Medic! For fuck's sakes! Wait it! I heard him go, oh! So I left it at that. I'm going for him. I got no excuse. Wait. Len, call this location. You got 4 shooters ready to roll. I'm dead. Oh. No bullets. Yo, Trevor, on your 12, straight at the top of the ridge. He just fucking bounced into the tree branch. I'm coming up on your right. I'm your bait. Right there, kneeling. See the shed? Look to the right. See him? He's it. Burn dog in the left. Hey! You're moving on him. I was making sure.
I shot you. I didn't care.
He shot you. I didn't.
Hey,
He's with us.
unfreaking touchable.
Who's left?
I don't know.
He got me though.
Len, you alive?
He's back 3 mag. He's back 3 mag.
Hey, Miles.
Wayne, you alive?
Unfreaking
Wait, wait.
That's it.
Yeah, you know you're shooting me.
That's game, Wayne!
There's at least 2 down here. All right, let's go get him. No. That's why I say there's 2 down here. Let's go this way. Hit!
Hit.
He's hit.
Hit.
We're both hit. Haven't encountered the
back
other 2
here.
yet. He's
I
right
got one
there.
back here. He shit himself when I got him.
I heard.
Okay.
I was right over here, coming up the bottom.
First few times and nailed me right in the shin, man. That
I don't even think you knew I was there until I started firing.
So where's the other one?
I don't know.
Trevor, did you see me?
No, nobody's down here.
Nobles down there?
No, because that's where I came
Travel down
from.
this way. Run by
Miles,
pairs.
where the hell's Miles?
He's out there, but he's probably gone chicken in the bush. So we'll run by pairs and we'll bound down the hill. And then scoop them up.
There's nothing down by the trenches.
Nothing by the trenches?
No, I just came from
And
the,
I held here, so
I came from the trenches around and up here.
he's got to be back this way.
Yeah, Miles was last out.
He's right in there.
He's done.
I saw you.
I was like, he's got to be, if he's not this way, he's got to be that
Okay, there's
way.
one more.
There's one more? No, Wayne's out.
Oh, Wayne's out.
Before you even set foot out the bush,
I see all that. I'm like, oh,
fuck.
You should have just unloaded instead of moving.
I know
Or,
I can get
or
a
went
quick
low.
shot.
Yeah. Hit! That was awesome. You put one right through the hoop of my earring.
I got range with it.
I was dropping short, wasn't I?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Because I was starting to go up.
Yeah, that's why I saw you climbing it. I'm like, okay, I've got range. They were shooting over in here.
Yeah, I heard that.
I know Miles and Eric were
I'm
test
gonna go
matching
right
back and forth
around
before it
that way.
started.
Completely confusing. Come back in a bit. Your head.
I'll move when you shoot. Make sure you got him because I'm going to tag him. Here's another one.
Well, I was waiting for you to bring your gun up because I knew that was as close as you were going to be.
I saw you too.
As soon as I saw you walk in, I started letting go. He's running.
Hit! Hit! You're hit too? Okay.
Medic him. Moving left to right, paralleling the road. Hit! I'll go forward. That's more than a road's width off.
Hey, I was dead anyway.
Go for a three-legged chicken.
Well,
I tell you, you nailed me, Dave, but
Good.
wait. Unless he was
Over
crouching,
here. Yeah.
nobody came through here.
Yeah.
Let's go back.
Back we go. Did you see that?
the movement.
No, right.
See the spider line? Oops, stop.
I see it, yeah.
Well, unless he
tells
was
you no one's
crouching,
walked down this
nobody
road.
came through here.
You walk.
Come out now, Miles, and I won't shoot you in the dick.
If you don't come out now, I will. There he is.
He's running.
Which way?
That way.
Want to cover me and I'll move up the road?
I don't see him yet. Hold at this corner. Just put the bump one of us.
Yeah. Okay, you guys good? We'll roll left.
Yeah, okay.
Keep the mag, don't lose it.
I guarantee we won't find him on the road this time. You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm okay.
That's game!
You got
We
me
won't fight him
just
on the
after
road
you
and
called
fucking
it. Nice
rounds
shot.
start flying. Did you get him or did I?
He got him. He got me. I got him as well.
Because I was just like, fuck.
I'm sitting. I see a far.
I just saw him moving left or right there. There he is right there.
You come on out, Patterson. We'll let you shoot the other one.
Hit! Oh! That was a good one on the chin. Stay down. Ah.
Right side of road. Stump. Single shooter. About 30 feet shy of the artillery piece.
Medic! Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo.
Hopefully you piss straighter than you shoot because you're all over the fucking place and nowhere near the bowl.
The hell? Medic! Back in! Hit! Wow, I can't believe I missed with all of that. Just stay near me, I'll take all the hits. We have two medics each. So I'm dead after you medic me this time.
You guys better fucking move.
Medic me back in.
Give me a second. Cover me, Miles. Cover me. Just shoot.
Just medic me in, I will. Back in! Hit! Wait! Medic! Yeah, you got me.
Hit him. He's hit. Not good. Are you fucking kidding me?
Ah.
Fucking said my name as it went by.
I'm going to turn my back to that. Oh, then I can't film you shooting me.
You two are standing
shooting lessons from Call of Duty, ain't ya?
Fucking move up, I think is the term. Woo! Close.
Alright.
Someone's calling hit. Is that it?
Nice.